Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to bring you two exciting routines. A heavy bag routine based on speed and power, and an abdominal routine for your core. The heavy bag routine will help you develop power in your Wing Chun. It'll help you with your breathing techniques and coordinating your footwork and landing. But before we get there, I need you all to click the buttons to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always. Have a great day.
Okay everybody, so the next level bag routine. You have 6 3-minute rounds, ideally a 30-second rest in between each one. So when you're doing this routine, it's based on speed, it's not based on power, but don't sacrifice your technique versus speed. So the first exercise is really simple. I'm going to do it on the right side just for camera angle. Is a jab or a cross. A half step in, jab, cross, half step out. Now if you choose to use Wing Chun punches, that's fine too. Jab. Alright, so you got your two part. On the left side from here, half step in, left jab, right cross. Coming in, stepping in, cross. Stepping in, jab, cross. Stay orthodox in this routine. Like I said, I'll demonstrate it on the right just for camera capability. So again, cross. Stepping through, exercise 1. Exercise 2 is working the uppercut. So I want you in close, right? You can take a front stance, or you can just sit neutral, head down, and just uppercuts into the back. Uppercuts into the back. Remember, this is based on fluidity and not looking at bending the bag in half yet. So this is a 3-minute round. Just get the hips and body. Or if you choose to take a stance, again, same thing. Make sure you're rotating the hips as you're throwing these shots. Exercise 2. Okay, exercise 3 is just throwing hooks into the body. Again, you can start square on it or pick a stance. From here, again, just you're up close, rotating the hip. So coordinating the hip with the body shot. So again, these are based on speed, not power here. So if you took the orthodox stance, if it's not orthodox, I'm on the right side forward here, I'm going to make sure the hip is coming in. Body shot, body shot, body shot, body shot. Opposite stance, body shot, body shot. So again, speed versus on power, making sure you're turning your waist and your hip on every shot. The next exercise is just hook punches to the head. Same thing, we're just moving up the bag here. So again, you can start in a flat, rotating the hips, rotating the hips. Or you can take the stance, taking that front stance, but once again, in tight, make sure you're rotating the hips as you're throwing these shots. Again, from the flat stance to the head, to the head. Okay, our 5th exercise is the double jab followed by the cross. So a half step in, double jab, and cross. 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 So once again, these exercises are based on speed. You're not looking to drill it. This is good for endurance, developing some shoulder and punching power. So if I pull it on the right, double jab, cross. Stepping in, double jab, cross. Stepping in, double jab, cross. Double jab, cross. Double jab, cross. Okay, our 6th and final exercise of this routine is the double jab, cross, jab, cross. So again, it's a double jab, cross, jab, cross. Onto the bag, that half step comes in with the double jab, cross, jab, cross. Half step up, double jab, cross, jab, cross. Half step in, jab, cross, jab, cross. Half step, double jab, cross, jab, cross. Again, 6 3-minute rounds, 30-second break in between. So this is the beginning of level 1, an ab rep program. Really tense up and hit both the lower, upper, and middle abs. So the first one we're going to hit on the low is your legs are all the way out. Place your hands right below that pubic triangle, and you're going to press there and hold. So Keith's going to just come up and do almost a quarter crunch. And as he's doing, he's going to tense his abs. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, and then back down. Again, come up, 1 1000, 2 1000, and back down one more time. Up, 1 1000, 2 1000, and back down. Good hold. So beginning level, this first piece, 50 repetitions. Moving it now, this is going to go, they're going to run concurrently. Right after this, level 2, his legs are going to come halfway in. He's going to move his hands to his mid-abs. So when you come up, you want to make sure you're tensing that area. So he's going to come up, hold the crunch, feel the tension, 1 1000, 2 1000, and down. 3 more reps. Up, 1 1000, 2 1000, and down. One more, 1 1000, 2 1000, and down. Good, relax. Again here, 50 reps. The final level in this particular exercise, he's going to bring his knees in as tight as he can to his body. He's going to put his hands right under the xiphoid process, right here. He's going to again start to tense up, come up and hold for a 2 count, and down. Again up, 1 1000, 2 1000, and down. One more time, 1 1000, 2 1000, down. Good, relax. So that's the third level. So we did lower, middle, and upper abs. Start with one set, so it would be 150 reps. I'd like to see you all get to 3 sets of 50 to each. So you run through the whole thing like a giant set. Lower, middle, and upper, 50 reps each. So we have 150 reps per set. So you got 3 sets, it's 450 repetitions. Again, this is the beginning of level 1, we'll call the ABREP program.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.